Okay, guys, watch and learn.
So, you handle your balls out well last night? How'd it go with Sarah?
I don't know. I wasn't the one handling the stick.
Come on. Don't be disgusting. Sarah's my friend, too.
We just had a good time, that's all.
Do you still shoot straight after last night?
This man can never shoot straight.
Shut up, guys.
This is Slay. What's the play?
Corporal Slay,
Yes, sir.
we have a priority briefing for you in 1/2 hour. Join us in the sitcom.
Yes, sir. Right away, sir.
Well, gotta go.
Just as you're about to start losing.
In your dreams, Staleface.